So I found a slug. I got him positioned. Looks like he's on the negative wire now. He's about to cross over. Oh! Got him. See if he goes for it again. Got him again. The slug fences do work, people. Looks like he may be giving up. I also noticed when I had one inside the bed, and he got to the wood and he touched the positive cable by itself, and even without touching the negative, it still shocked him. I'm guessing that is because of the wood is being wet, and it may have just, I don't know, grounded it somehow. I'm not sure, but the slug fence does work. Let's see if I can show that on the inside. Let's see. Now I know a lot of you may think that this is cruel, but this is a much better deterrent. This is a deterrent instead of killing them. You know, putting bait out or putting beer out, you got to fill the beer. You're gonna make sure that's, you know, clean. You gotta clean out the carcasses. This way, it just keeps him out of the bed. Let's see if he goes up to it and see if it'll do it because it's wet. This is just one single 9-volt battery, and before I'm done with this video, I'll take you over and show you the watertight container I made. It was real easy. I just took a hot poker with a blowtorch and got it hot, and then poked holes in a Tupperware to just small enough to fit the wire through tightly. Let's see. Oh, there, you must have touched it. Backed him away. Alright, well, we are done with you, good sir. Flip him back over there where he's safe, and he can go on about his business. Alright, let's go down here and look at the box. So here's the box. It's watertight. As you can see, there's some water collecting on top of it. It's condensation from my air conditioner. I don't have these wrapped yet. I will probably. I don't know, it kind of depends on how it works there. It may not need to be wrapped. And then I'd take that hot poker and poke those holes. After pulling them through, on the inside I put a little dab of super glue on each to hold them in place. That'll keep that water tight, and that'll keep that from getting knocked over or wind blowing it over. So that's it. Slug fence does work. I suggest them to anyone that wants to keep slugs out of their bed without having to mess with dealing with dead slugs. Have a good evening.